Alright, hello dear video viewers and my dear eager listeners. A lovely morning from Narayanganj, Bangladesh, and you are very welcome to watch this video. My name is Porosh, probably you are familiar with me. So right now, as you can see, I am standing here in front of my house, and this is the city where I actually live, and my city name is Narayanganj. Narayanganj is located very close to our capital city, Dhaka. So this is the exact area where I have been living for almost last 5 or 6 years, and that's why I really love my city. But my real home, my roots are in Sunamganj. That's where my village is and my childhood. So I also love my native area as well. So as you can see, it's very early in the morning. Actually, it's dawn time. The sun hasn't risen yet. Hopefully it's about to rise. So I am here to make one English video. So in today's video, what I am going to do is I just want to show you my own area, and there is a special reason behind it why I am recording this video or why I am capturing this video in my own area. Actually, one of my friends asked me to record an English video in my own area because he wants to see how my area actually looks like and what things can be found here. And this is the exact reason why I am here in this early morning. And after coming here in this early morning, I am walking on the air. Walking on the air, what does it really mean? It doesn't mean that I am walking on the air. It means that I am really happy, I am delighted. And you know what? I am an early riser, so I always get up early in the morning, and after getting up, what I do is I try to practice my English. And initially I just want to tell you one proverb. Probably you have heard this proverb that is like, early to bed and early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy and wise. So if you want to be wealthy, if you want to be healthy, then you will have to wake up early in the morning. There are so many advantages. So I just want to recommend you, please get up early in the morning and try to come outside and just try to practice English like me. Okay, so this is going to be so beneficial for you, and I hope you will follow my advice. Yeah, so this is my area. As you can see, it's very early in the morning. As I said, actually it's 6 a.m. That's why you can't see anyone, although you can see a woman standing over there, and she is none other than my mother. Actually, my mother has been suffering with some physical problems. That's why doctor advised my mother that you need to wake up early and you need to come outside and walk every day. That is the reason why my mother every day wakes up early and she comes on the street and she takes some exercise in this early morning by walking on the street. Yeah, so yeah, I'm feeling really well in my own area. So as you can see, I'm just walking and talking. Actually, recently I have watched one video of Luke's English podcast, and you know, in that video Luke was walking in London, and he was talking like me, and that video really inspired me to create this one. Although I haven't been able to make videos regularly because I have been busy with my preparation for upcoming HSC examination. You know what, after from upcoming 26th June my HSC examination will be start. But look, still I am here, still I am recording English videos. You know, like, this is my passion, this is my habit, so I can't ignore it, I can't avoid it. Yeah, so it's very important for me, practice English every single day. The more I practice, the better I will become. So that's why it's my part, and I just want to do it properly without delaying or like without ignoring it. So yeah, as you can see, this is the area where I am walking right now. I am walking along the street and I'm just speaking in front of you, which feels really amazing in this early morning. And if I talk about today's weather, it's really a beautiful misty weather in my city. And you know, the weather has been like this for the last 4 or 5 days. And it's really a perfect weather in my part of the world. I don't know what the weather is in your area. Please let me know in the comments below. I hope if you live in Bangladesh, the weather looks like this, because throughout the country it's been raining for the last 3 or 4 days. And yeah, I'm having a great weather. It's really a perfect environment to record an English video. As you can see, an old man walking on the street in this early morning. This is really, really fantastic. So now I just want to show you one thing, that is, you can see this is a school, and this school name is Vidyaniketan High School, and I was a student of this school from 2018 to 2023, sorry, and I have completed my SSC examination from this school. So I really love this school, and like Now whenever I go in front of this school, I just get back to those days when I used to be a student of this school, when I used to make lots of fun with my friends, with my teachers, and I know many things of this school, and I spent some of the great years of my life in this school. So that is the reason why I really love this school and I am fond of it. And it's been a long time I don't go to the inside part of this school, but yeah, still I have lots of love for this school. I know many teachers of this school, and yeah, it's really it's really well. As you can see, maybe he's a security guard of this school, or probably he's a night guard of this school, and he is doing his duty. So yeah, that is the thing. And okay, so yeah, you can see some flowers behind me, which is really beautiful. And there is one, what to say, everyone should acquire knowledge. It's really a great sign. And it's really a good educational institution in my area, and also maybe probably in the whole Narayanganj city. And I really like it. I was a student, although now I am not a student of this school. Now I am a student of Narayanganj University College, and you can see from 26 June I'm going to take my examination, HSC examination, board exam. That will be so hard, so please pray for me so that I can do well and I can make myself proud. Also, I can make you proud, I can make my parents proud. Yes, so that's the thing. That is the thing. Like when I was a student of this school, I used to make lots of fun with my friends after finishing our school days, or during the tiffin breaks, or before starting our schools. We used to make lots of fun. Although now I really miss it because it's been a long time. I don't meet my friends together. I meet my friends occasionally right now. So that is the thing. School life was really, really beautiful. So now I am going to the last destination of my video. Okay, now I will show you our local market to you. Hopefully you are enjoying this video. It's really a great way to improve our English. So if I talk about my English journey, okay, so let's give you some tips. If you want to learn spoken English, the thing that you have to do is you have to practice a lot. Like when I started my journey, I could not speak a lot, but the thing that I did in the beginning was practicing a lot. I used to practice a lot. I used to listen to English videos or listen to English podcasts a lot, and that is the thing that really kept me going, or really motivate me to learn English, also to practice English. So if you want to learn spoken English, if you want to do something great by yourself, then you will have to do it. Okay, and as you can see, it's really early morning, and you will find some people in front of me, as you can see. Although I'm not going to stop, people may notice me, but I'm not going to stop it, because in our country's perspective, it's really rare to see someone who is making English videos continuously like me. You can see I'm walking and talking on the street in this early morning. I'm not going to get nervous today anyhow, because I was supposed to make this video a few days earlier, but I could not make it because it was raining. So that was really difficult for me to come outside and finish this video. But today, by hook or by crook, I'm going to finish it, and I'm going to make myself proud. Yes, and if I don't make video, who will watch my video? Just think like me, and you could be the most skilled person in your area or in the universe, but if no one knows it, then it has no value. So if you want to make yourself valuable, if you want to just do something great, then you will have to do it. It doesn't matter what others are thinking, or it doesn't matter what people are thinking about you. The only thing that can make you better is just work on yourself. As you can see, I am working on myself. I am just trying to inspire myself every single day. Okay, so as you can see, it's really crowded at this moment. Some people are walking before me. Also, as you can see, some people are in front of me. So yeah, it's really great. As you can see, this is the perfect situation, and although I don't know it's perfect or not, but there is a temple. It's a Hindu temple, and I follow Hindu religion, so it's really great. Okay, so people are noticing me. I don't know what they are thinking or what kind of imagination they are making, but I am not going to stop anyhow. Okay, so now I just want to show you something that is like, this is our local market, and this market opens every single day. And the one interesting thing, if I talk about, I rarely see men are buying, or like men are doing shopping in this market. Mostly what I see when I come in this place is I see women are doing the shopping. So I haven't seen anything like this in our Bangladesh. Okay, so yeah, this is the thing. And my mother regularly comes in this market and she buys our daily essentials, and sometimes I come here with my mother and I try to know how to choose good foods or how to choose good vegetables, although I'm not efficient or like I'm not good at it, but my mother always helps me a lot to do it. So yeah, that is the thing. Okay, as you can see, people are noticing me, but man, if you wanted to do something great, if you wanted to make yourself valuable, or if you just want to do some great things, then you will have to do it. Okay, I don't think that if I stop it will bring anything good for me. Okay, if I continue make video, if I make video, then you will watch my video. Okay, as you can see, there is a man behind me. Maybe he's very curious about me, what I'm doing here. Okay, it's not a showing off that I'm capable of speaking English. I just want to show you my area, because one of my friend, as I said earlier, one of my friend asked me to record this video. That's why I am going to record it. And beside this market, you will see a pond, which is like you can't see the water because there are lots of grasses on the water. But this is also not beautiful. As you can see, so much garbage over here, so it's not looking beautiful, but people called it Jewish Pushkuni, and some of them even tell that it is connected to the ancient times, or it has some historical backgrounds, although no one really knows the truth. And I also know that I don't know the truth. So yeah, and you will see another temple here, which is Shitla temple, as you can see. Yeah, this is also very beautiful, and there are so many temples in my own area, and you can say it's a Hindu colony or Hindu there are lots of Hindu people live in this area. So I'm also really lucky because I have so many temples, and where I go occasionally, or like whenever my mother forced me, I go to those places. Although I don't like to go temple regularly, because this is not in my habit and I don't have any attitude for this. But yeah, as you can see, I'm just walking on talking, and the one interesting thing is if people are really conscious about their health. As you can see, it's very early in the morning, but I have already seen that there are so many people on the street. They are just walking on the street, and they are very conscious about their health. Although I'm not conscious about my health. Yeah, it's true that I wake up early in the morning and I'm an early riser, but I rarely come outside to walk. Okay, I come outside just to make video and just to improve myself. As you can see, probably he's a businessman. Maybe he does any business. I don't know what kind of business he does, but probably. So this is the thing, how we can make ourselves better, as you can see. So yeah, just try to do. Like when I started my journey, I could not speak a single sentence properly, but I never give up. I never let it stop me. The thing that I did was just investing my time on myself. I worked on myself, and that is the reason why I am getting better in every single day. And I've been practicing like this for the last 1 year, and in this 1 year I have learned a lot. So it's been a long video. My hands are shaking right now because I have been holding my gimbal for last 30 minutes, but hopefully I'm going to speak more 2 or 3 minutes. And yeah, as you can see, people are really curious about me. They are just thinking what I'm doing here in this early morning. Well, I'm doing nothing. I'm not doing anything wrong here. I'm not committing any crime. I am just speaking because I want to grow. I want to become better. I just want to improve myself, and that is the exact reason why I do hard work, or like why I make video every single day. And before coming here, yesterday night, I had taken a resolve that anyhow or any cost, I would make video tomorrow morning, because it's been a long time I'm not capturing any video or any content for my YouTube channel. So I need to make it, right? I need to make it. Although my exams are knocking at the door from 26 June, my examination will be started. But I'm not thinking about that board exam, but I'm just thinking about my progress. And it doesn't matter whether you are making slow progress or rapid progress. The thing is, you have to be consistent, and I don't know what do you think, are you consistent enough or not? But if you talk about me, or if you say to me, then I'm consistent enough, and that is the reason why I am making myself better every single day. So yeah, people are really conscious about me. And one more interesting thing is my mother is really conscious about my safety. As you can see, she is walking before me because this city is not safe in this early morning. And I'm here with my iPhone. That's why it makes my mother even more conscious about myself. And yeah, I really love my mother because she has been supporting me throughout my journey. She helped me to buy an iPhone, and she helped me to buy this gimbal. With this gimbal I'm recording this video. So yeah, overall feeling well. I just want to tell you that if you want to learn spoken English, you can practice English like me. It can make you better, it can change your life. And from my point of view, or like from my perspective, English should be fun. If you just learn this language, you will be better and you will be able to get so many advantages in your life. So what I want to recommend you is just practice it every day. If you make mistakes, it doesn't matter. Only thing that can make you better, as I said, just practice it and learn it. Okay, you don't need to go any coaching centers because you have the internet connection. And I created a strong mindset like this, that I have the internet connection. So I would be able to learn this language through internet. I will get the lessons of the world's most beautiful teachers on the internet world, and I will do it without spending any penny. That is the thing, and it is making me better every single day. So I think it's enough for today. I don't want to make it more longer. This is the tour. This is a small tour between from my home to this place, and I hope you are enjoying this video. And let me know from where you are watching my videos. And if you like my videos, please consider to subscribe my channel. It will be a great thing for you and also for me. Every day I am trying to share my own positive ideas with all of you, and hopefully my ideas will help you to learn English, also to do something better in your life. Yeah, that is the thing. So I think I should stop here now. It's been 16 minutes I've been speaking. So quite long time, although it's morning time, that's why I'm not facing any problem. I'm being able, I woke up today, around, when I wake up around 5:30 a.m. and after that I came outside, and now as you can see I'm about to finish my video. So stay connected with me. Don't forget to share this video, or share with your brothers, sisters, or friends, whoever need this type of video. You can share my video with them. Hopefully it will be a great thing for them. They will feel some inspiration after watching this video. So take care of yourself. I don't want to make it more longer. Thanks for watching. See you in the next time. Till then, have a great day. Always be powerful, be passionate about learning English, and keep learning, keep shining. Thank you so much.